Welcome back to another Prime Slider tutorial. Today, we're exploring one of its most versatile and powerful features, the Pandora Slider widget. This sleek, responsive Elementor widget makes it easy to create stunning hero sections, banners, and promotional sliders for home pages, landing pages, or product showcases. With smooth animations, customizable content, and full design control, you can capture visitors' attention, enhance engagement, and highlight key messages in style. Whether you want bold headlines, interactive buttons, or seamless transitions, Pandora Slider helps you elevate your website's visual appeal effortlessly. Ready to bring your site to life? Let's dive in and see how this amazing widget works. To get started, type Pandora into the search bar on the left. Once you see the matching widget, drag and drop it into your editor. The default layout will appear, ready for customization. Under the Content tab, you'll find the Items section, which contains 5 items by default. Expanding any of them reveals several customization options. You can first modify the subtitle, then the title. Feel free to enter any text you like. If you expand the title link, you'll see additional options, including Open in New Window, Add No Follow, and Custom Attributes. Next, there's the Image option, allowing you to replace the slider item's image. For now, we'll adjust the title, subtitle, and line color for better visibility. Similarly, we'll update another item's title and image. You can follow this process to modify the subtitle, title link, and image for all items. Once you've customized the items, head over to the Additional Options section. The first setting here is Image Resolution, which controls the clarity, sharpness, and overall quality of displayed images. Next, you'll find toggle switches to show or hide the title and its HTML tag, as well as the subtitle and its HTML tag. You'll also see the Select Event option, which lets you choose between click and hover to trigger the slider. Lastly, the Active Item setting determines which slider item appears first when the page loads. That covers the basics of customization. If you want to fine-tune the design further, switch to the Style tab. The first section here is Wrapper, where you can adjust the height and max width of the slider content. The padding setting allows you to create spacing around the elements, and the background image settings provide precise control over background appearance. Finally, you can customize the background color to match your design preferences. Moving on to the title section, you'll find options for adjusting the title color and fill title color. The typography settings let you modify the font family, size, weight, transform, style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. You can also use the text stroke feature to add an outline around the title and change its color as needed. With X spacing, you can control the horizontal gap between the subtitle and title, while Y spacing adjusts the vertical spacing between titles. Next is the subtitle section, where you can change the subtitle color and active color. Typography settings here offer the same level of customization as in the title section, including options for font, size, weight, style, and spacing. Additionally, the opacity control lets you adjust the transparency of the subtitle. The last section in the Style tab is Line. Here, you can modify the line color, opacity, height, and width, allowing you to create the perfect visual separation for your design. Finally, let's take a look at the Advanced tab. Scrolling down, you'll find the Border section, where you can customize the border radius to adjust the roundness of the edges. That's it! Once you've perfected your slide content and polished the design, simply hit the Save button and preview your work. That's how the Pandora Slider lets you create dynamic, visually stunning sections with ease. With customizable animations, responsive controls, and flexible layout options, you can present your content in a way that captivates visitors and seamlessly enhances your website's design and functionality. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow designers, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.